Hey, yeah.
Hey, don't kick me.
All right, let's see it. Mo, come on. I can't even hear him coming. Oh my. Woo!
Is she all right? Oh man.
Oh boy, it's that day. Now you might be asking Miller, what day is it? It's the day we go and hit the big freaking freestyle ramp over at Jake's house. And I couldn't be more excited to take you guys along. Do a quick bike check. We got the CRF 110. You guys know and love this bike, but I did make a purchase this morning. There is a few trail bike classes in an upcoming race, and I was like, shoot, I'll enter it. So I went in ahead and picked up a nice mint XR100R. This thing is gonna be sick. Now, if you guys didn't catch in the last Busco video where we took out the beloved X3, it's actually all clean now. It was so freaking dirty. If you guys remember, there was a passenger sitting here. Her name's Ashlyn. She's gonna be in the video sometimes, and so I actually picked up that CRF 100 for her to ride today. I need to grab the cooler, and I need to also stop by the store, get some ice, get some drinks, so we do not get exhausted today. Now, if you guys have seen my driveway before, there is a red M3 that parks here sometimes, and I think we're gonna have to race versus the X3 pretty soon. But let me load up the cooler and let's get rolling. Looks like we got an E-boy over there. Bro, you hear this, right?
Dude.
Hey, you know what this sounds like? It's not electric, buddy. Finally made it.
I caught it. I said like 3.
You did say 3.
What time is it?
3.
Yeah, exactly.
My Gucci fish flops.
Fish flops.
Hey, dude.
How's it going, E-boy?
Good. My
E-bike
throttle's
boy?
a little stucky.
Yeah, oh yeah, the throttle on the go-kart's completely stuck to the moon.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or are we talking about something else?
No, they talk about.
Yeah, I guess
You like it? Have you ridden around?
Oh, it's here.
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was here.
Yeah. Dude, nice e-bike, bud.
Thanks.
Miller, buddy.
Buddy, 3 o'clock.
Dude, we said 1 o'clock.
About 3 o'clock, I had to show up, man.
I think it's 3:30.
What'd you call it earlier? Miller time, right?
Miller time.
Hey,
Miller
it's
time.
Miller time. Yo, I gotta.
But hey, you got a new toy.
I did get a new toy. You want to check it out, dude? Dude, the 100R.
100R stand for race edition.
Yeah, it's a race.
Should she be racing now?
Yeah, she's racing. Yeah, she said she's hitting the ramp today.
I'm interrupting. Today's the day.
What am I?
You
hitting
said
that?
for 2 vlogs now you've been holding it off for a big, you know, surprise.
Yeah.
Today's the jump.
Have you hit it?
Yeah.
Is it pretty fun?
It's so fun.
All right, let's see it. Can't even hear him coming. Come on, Mo. Oh my. Woo! Christian. There you go, baby. Oh my God, dude.
You gotta hit it.
That's freaking massive.
It's so fun though.
Is it pretty big? Is it pretty easy?
It actually is. It's honestly.
Is it throw you pretty smooth?
Yeah, I was like, it's pretty intimidating because you can't see the landing. But like once you hit it once, you exactly know where. Yeah.
Okay.
It's sick.
All right. Well, I am gonna hop on the XR100R just to warm up a little bit, and Ashlyn is actually gonna hop on my pit bike. You ready to ride? Hey, why are you wearing my helmet? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let's freaking cut into the GoPros. Hop on the new trail bike. Oh my gosh, Mo is an animal. This needs some work. We're gonna make it nice though. Oh! This thing's done, bro. Suspension's blown. This bike is hilarious. The old trail bike. All right, Mo, let's see it. Yeah, that's gonna be me today. That's kind of crazy to me. That's a big ramp. I have no rear brake. What's up, Garrett? I can't believe we finally got Garrett out on another pit bike day, dude. Everything's sucking. Dude, that's crazy. I can't believe I'm doing that today. Yeah. Yeah.
Steve, moto with me. Oh my gosh. Let's go, baby. Yeah, baby! Dude, we're motoring pretty good!
If you're gonna hit it, make sure you feel comfortable, because that's something big you can like really get hurt on. So like I wouldn't just do it if like peer pressure.
Oh no, I've been wanting to hit it.
And then the awesome thing is do not do the thing where you get tight.
Oh yeah.
But I would only hit it if you feel comfortable.
Britt, you gotta hit that one! You wanna hit it? You really? You gonna follow me? Yeah. Alright, just stand up. Second gear. And just in the throttle whenever you get to it. Hey, if you hit this, I'll hit the big one. Let's do it. Come on, Britt. Said she's gonna hit it. Like 75% when you're rolling up to it, okay? All right, here we go. Yeah, Britt! Let's go! Hell yeah, there you go, Britt. So what, third in it?
Follow me?
Let me follow you. She said that doesn't look as cool as that one, so that's why I want to hit it now. Not cool?
I don't know, based off that, you should do the big one.
Alright, I'm hitting it right now.
It's gonna be your fault when he's laid up in the hospital.
My stomach's upside down in a knot.
Well,
Do you feel like you gotta go?
Yeah, really bad.
You might want to.
Okay, I'll be back.
I saw a picture.
Give me 12 minutes.
Much later.
I'm feeling so much better. Alright.
All day, baby. All day. Yeah, like I said, just third gear. Like, you know, just follow me, just right behind me.
Okay.
Third gear, real like cruising.
Okay.
And I just roll into it a little in the face.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna follow you. Not follow you off this one, just follow next to you. Alright. Let's do it. I can't. It's so nerve-wracking, bro. Whoa! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Oh my God, that's freaking huge! Oh my God, you're up there in the sky. Was I nose high? I feel like I was nose high. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, let's go. All right. Much better. Yeah! Let's go! Oh my God! Woo! Oh my gosh! Brett, when are you hitting the jump? Oh my gosh, so sorry guys, I haven't really been talking that much in the video. Freaking hitting this jump has been crazy. I can't believe I actually hit it. I mean, that's just absolutely wild. Did she hit it? No shot! I missed it! Go do it again! Brittany hit it! You should hit it! I know, me too! Come on, Britt. Yeah! Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Good job, Britt.
That was the hardest part.
You did it. Need a little bit more speed.
I know.
You did so good. Oh, did she just get hurt? Is she all right? Oh. Oh man.
Well, I hit the double.
Yeah. Congrats. Like, I'm proud of you.
You killed it. You didn't even mess up on the jump. You just messed up on the ground when she got back down. First weekend, she works at an ER now. She thinks she can do everything.
Blood,
Tomorrow's
sweat.
her first day on the floor.
Hey, Mexican on me tonight just for you, not Rick. Took one for the team. That was such a graceful fall.
Yeah, really. Remind me never to wreck in front of you guys. Everyone, instead of being like, "Are you okay?" You're like, "What's up?"
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go eat some Mexican food. I'm gonna take you guys along because I don't even know if I have a whole video, but I hit a big ramp today. But yeah, if you guys like and want to see a whole build series on the XR100 trail bike, there's a whole like division at a pit bike race for these bikes.
No way.
So I might have to bring it out, dude.
Speaking of, we're going to a pit bike race next weekend.
Oh yeah, like it's gonna be big, so you guys better keep on the watch out for that. But we had a bunch of fun riding today. Ashlyn, you did so good. Jake, thanks for sending me off the ramp, dude. It's kind of scary. And Garrett,
I hit a double.
you hit a double and you didn't die.
I didn't die.
You didn't die. You're gonna hit the ramp next time, right?
Maybe not next time, but I'll hit the ramp eventually.
We'll catch you up, guys, at the restaurant. Britt, are you okay?
You need a fat joint.
You're not okay? What's wrong?
I'm happy.
You happy?
Yeah.
Happy Britt.
That's what a depressed person would say.
Jeez, Greg.
Kobe. Wow. No way. No way.
Nice. Buddy drove over here.
Did he in a car?
Yeah.
No.
No, he flips on the bill.
Alright guys, it is the next day and I did want to talk to you guys about a few things that are coming up on the channel. This weekend is one of the biggest freaking pit bike races in the country, at least on the East Coast. I think I'm headed up there with Jake and Britt on Friday and I'm super stoked to bring you guys along. It's going to be a freaking banger. It's going to be a movie. If you guys thought the last pit bike race video was sick, this one's going to be 10 times better, but I'm excited to bring you guys along. I've had a little bit more seat time since the last race and I think I'm going to be able to do a little bit better than before. I know what to expect now. And I know what to like do in the sand and that kind of thing because I've never really raced sand before the last race. But definitely guys, if you liked me hitting the big ramp, I want to go back. Jake texted me today, said the track is prime right now. We got some big stuff coming. I've just got secured 2 new sponsors for the channel here coming up for November. November is going to be a pretty big month for me, so guys, you'll have to stay tuned. We're going to do some sick stuff with the side-by-side. Stuff that probably really hasn't been done before. But as you guys saw, we got the XR100. If you guys want to see a full trail bike build, you know, do some cool stuff with it, let me know, and we will be updating the freaking 110 soon. You know, the boys over at T-Bolt already hooked it up. We're getting a graphics kit made right now and it's gonna be sick looking for the next season of riding. Now I am about to head out for the evening, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I can't believe I finally hit the big ramp and I'm so glad you guys support me with all that kind of stuff, and I'm excited to go back and hit it again and have a lot more fun. So if you guys would, and do me an absolute favor and hit the like button, subscribe. If you haven't already, we're like under 5,000 away from hitting 100K. So I'm super pumped. I'm super excited to take you guys along. I can't believe I'm almost getting a plaque. That means the world to me. I've been trying this YouTube thing for a long time now, and it's just been awesome gaining you guys as fans and gaining you guys as family, really. And like I've said before, guys, if you want to do this or if you want to do anything in life, you could literally do it. I'd never expected to be where I am today with this kind of stuff, and you just got to work really hard for it. So guys, if I can leave you with any piece of advice, it's to just grind it out. Got to keep trying, never give up. But that's enough chit chat. I'm going on a big race. We're filming a ton next week, and I'm going on a few big trips here coming up soon. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.
Hashtag like and subscribe.
So if you guys would, oh, there's a freaking bee. Get away from me, bee.
Stab you in the forehead, I'm gonna stab you in the forehead.
I don't know. Can I do a burnout though?
No, we're not doing burnouts.
Done a burnout yet?
No, so this kid goes, let's see if it does a burnout. Breaks my bike.
I'm gonna make a reel for you, and it's gonna be to that song that says, "You're gonna die, you're gonna wreck, don't."
What?
'Cause what?
Oh my god! Oh Jesus Christ! Thank